Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Courtney Shavontae and I appreciate you all watching this video. Today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you step by step on how I make these custom bags right here. For those who are unfamiliar, I am the owner of Bougie Hippie. We are a luxury fempothecary who's dedicated to feminine wellness and overall self-care. So although I am mostly an e-commerce business, there are times where I do pop-up shops or I just get in-person orders from things like, my mother's co-workers and things like that. So branding is something that is very important to me and to my company. I put a lot of effort into the branding that I do. So of course I wasn't trying to send out any bags or anything that did not have my logo on it and that did not look like the overall Bougie Hippie brand. So what I did was I went ahead and made my own bag because when I was looking around, with me being a new startup, I wasn't able to afford the minimum order quantity, which was like 500 bags at the time. I didn't even have 500 customers. So what I did was I went ahead and created my own, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that. Now, before I do get to that portion of the video, I do want to give a huge shout out to my sister. She is a fitness and lifestyle vlogger here on YouTube. I'll make sure that I put her link down in the description below. Now, what she did was she recorded me off camera basically when I was basically just, talking to her like sisters do and everything. But when she was recording me, even though she didn't record anything super personal, she sent it to me because she knew that I was struggling with speaking in front of the camera. Even though nobody is here, right here in this room with me, it's literally just me in here. It still gets a little weird talking to the camera, and I'm not good with stage fright. So with that video that she took for me, I was able to kind of look at it and compare it to what I was doing previously, like when I'm on camera speaking and everything. And that was a huge help because with me personally, one of the ways I am able to learn is that I like to kind of compare like what I'm doing compared to what the overall goal is and try to find that bridge in between. So shout out to her. Make sure you check her out. All right, let's get to it.